As a YouTuber, I know that thumbnails are vital to attract people to your videos, and this is because it's what they see and that's what they click on. That's what we call CTR, or click-through ratio. Now, I unfortunately only realized this much later on in my YouTubing career, and I wanted to show you how you can make this a lot easier in order to make stock for your thumbnails. So just a warning, this tutorial does use a Nikon camera paired with SnapBridge, but a similar software should suffice. The first thing that you want to do is set up your camera with a neutral background or a green screen if you have one. Next, you want to ensure that you have SnapBridge installed on your mobile device and it's now paired with your camera. Now with this, you are able to see yourself and take pictures in different poses. This can either be holding the product you're talking about or even pretending to hold a product that you're going to be talking about. Always keep them guessing, never let them know your next move. So this was a little bit difficult to do and I'm not sure which camera I'm supposed to be looking at, but let me try look at that one for now. We're basically recording off of that camera. I'm recording off of my mobile phone to actually show you what's going on in my mobile phone, and then we're going to be doing the recording and taking pictures from another camera. So here we got a little bit of technology going around here, but this is how easy it is. You just need to sync one camera. You obviously don't need to have this whole setup. Green screen is obviously nice if you want to edit things in or edit things out. If you don't want a certain background, just makes it easier for editing software. But here we go. So I want to be able to do a couple of thumbnails. Now I'm looking at my screen right now and I've got it on photo mode connected to my Z6 III. Now I've already done my settings. I had to put it in manual, so I've done all of my exposures, my ISOs and so on. So you've got to get that right. If you do want to use automatic settings, you do have to use Bluetooth. If I did that, you wouldn't be able to see what's going on, so that's why I've done it on manual. But now, all I want to do is start taking some thumbnail shots for this video. So if I'm going to use this one, hopefully, and I heard the camera, the image capturing into the camera. So I heard that. Now I might have an image for my thumbnail. Now, if you want to get a whole bunch of images and kind of put it in a library, you just need to get your finger close to the picture taking and go, wait for it to process. And now the nice thing about this is you can also put a countdown timer. So if I go into the settings and I want a self timer, I'm going to put a self timer on 3 seconds because I can't get my hands into the position that I want to in time. So here we go. It's on 3 seconds. Now we can take a variety of images in this way in different environments. Just set up your tripod, connect your camera, take pictures, and get a whole basket of thumbnails that you can use in order to create good content, because thumbnails are so important. Back to the studio. And that's it. Extract, save, and edit. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. See you on the next one.